Good evening, classmates and tutor. My name is Lucy Stefania Maya. I'm 34 years old. I live in Chia. I'm married. I have two children. They are boys. The older is 9 years old and the little boy is 2 years old. I live here in Chia at about 10 years ago, and I work in a school as a teacher. I love teaching. I love English. I love learning, and I hope that I can improve my skills here in this course, because I need it. I need it so much because I understand, I can read it, I can write it, but when I want to speak, when I want to express my ideas, I can't do it so easily. I don't know why. Maybe I can't find the correct words in this moment. Maybe when the time has passed, I think, oh, I must say that thing or that other thing. But in the moment, it's so difficult for me. Okay, I studied English in Winston-Salem Language Institute. When I was in school, English was my favorite subject. I don't know why. I love English, and my notes were very well. Then I like to study English, and I start to study in the institute and in the United States too during 1 year, not much. And I'm a graphical designer too. And in this moment, I'm in the 8th semester of the licenciature. I hope I can improve my skills and be an excellent teacher, English teacher. Okay, respect to the strategies to improve my English speaking skills. I think that the first one is we can we can think in English. Any time and place, we can try to think in English about the day. An example, if we wanna order food, an example, if we want to take a bus, yes. An example, if we want to find or know a word, we can find in a dictionary. But if we think in English, we can speak so fast and so easy, I think, because we don't have to translate. Because if we think in Spanish, and when we wanna speak in English, we are going to translate, and I think this is not good. Something I think is very useful for my second strategy is, according to my experience, is talking in front of a mirror. An example, choose a topic of my interest and try to talk about it at about for 2 or 3 minutes without stopping. Okay, it doesn't matter if I make mistakes or I don't know how to say some word. The important is try to express my personal opinion about something in front of the mirror. I don't know, maybe I don't know what do you think, but I think it's very useful for me. It's very useful for me because this exercise serves to identify the shortcomings and the difficult or missing vocabulary. Another strategy to improve verbal fluency is to practice tongue twisters. This allows us to move the language better and we can pronounce correctly. An example, I don't know, it could be fine. An example, the 33 thieves thought that they trailed the throne throughout Thursday. I don't know, it's maybe allows us to get better the pronunciation. I don't know. And I think that singing songs in English can also be a good strategy since it allows us to know and learn new vocabulary, allows us to know the pronunciation and familiarize ourselves, with the language. I think that we can improve our oral skills in this course. I have a lot of hopes, a lot of I don't know. I want expectations. I have a lot of expectations about this course, and I want be better, a better English teacher. And I don't know. You can help me. And thank you for watching me. And bye bye. Thanks.